Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subway Surfers like a pro. To truly master the game, you'll need to go beyond basic swiping. We'll cover advanced movement techniques, like quick dodges and precise jumps, which are crucial for navigating complex obstacles. You'll also learn how to strategically deploy your power-ups, such as the jetpack and super sneakers, to maximize your coin collection and score multipliers. Get ready to elevate your game to the next level and achieve incredible high scores. Becoming a Subway Surfers pro means mastering your movement. Focus on incredibly quick, decisive swipes to shift lanes in an instant, avoiding sudden obstacles. Practice the double tap jump, which allows for a slightly higher and more controlled leap, perfect for clearing tall trains or collecting hard-to-reach coins. Always try to look ahead, anticipating the next 3 to 5 obstacles, so you can plan your dodges and jumps proactively, keeping your run going longer. Strategic use of power-ups is key to pro-level play. Always prioritize grabbing coin magnets and the 2x score multiplier, as these significantly boost your score and coin collection. Hoverboards are your ultimate safety net. Deploy them just before a likely crash to gain a few precious seconds of invincibility. Remember to visit the shop and upgrade your power-ups, like the jetpack and super sneakers, to their highest levels, ensuring their effects last for the longest possible duration during your runs. Many characters offer unique abilities that can give you an edge. For example, some characters might have a longer hoverboard duration or a higher jump. Make sure to complete your daily challenges and missions. These provide excellent coin and key rewards, which are essential for unlocking new characters and upgrading items. Consistent practice is the most important factor for improving your reaction time and overall skill, transforming you into a true Subway Surfers pro. Keep surfing and have fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.